So yeah, welcome back to another section. I'm still your host, Praise Obioma from Synalytics. So today we will continue from understanding data and variables. But today we'll be focusing on independent and dependent variables. So for instance, let me put up an analogy. So I want to know if too much pepper in a food makes the food more spicy, right? So this is a very popular analogy used to understand dependency and independency of variables, right? So in this case, the pepper is a variable, right? And the spiciness of the food is also a variable. So which one is depending on which one? So I give you like 5 seconds to think it through for five. Yeah. So the pepper is actually in this case, the spiciness of the food is dependent on the amount of pepper that is being added to the food. So it's very simple. I'm breaking it down. So what does it mean? Which guy is the dependent and which guy is the independent variable here? It's simple. The spiciness, like I said earlier, is dependent on the pepper. So which makes it a dependent variable. While the pepper itself is the independent variable. So like I said, the independent variable has is the cause, right? While the dependent variable is the effect, is the outcome. Okay, so that's the basic way you can actually understand independent and dependent variable. So whenever you have a topic, you will look through your topic to know which one is the dependent variable and which one is the independent variable. So someone might be asking, why is it even important to look through this? Why to know, okay, this guy is dependent, this guy is independent. So the main reason for that is it helps in your analysis, it helps in in your data cleaning, it helps you because data analysis is about knowing what you want to do. Like in our previous section, please I recommend you guys to follow the sections so that you will catch up with everything that we are dishing out here. So you have to know the each variable depends on which one so that you can know the type of test that you will conduct. So I usually tell my friends data analysis is just like going to the lab to test for a disease, right? Just like a med lab. So a medical laboratory, when you go there, the doctor prescribes a test. So when you go and conduct that test, you return to the doctor, then the doctor can actually give you a solution. So once you bring your data set, you pass it through data analysis, it goes through some testing, then from there you can probably have a directive and clearance on what steps to take next. That is what we call data driven decisions or to drive about insight from data. So I think that's much for independent and dependent variable. So in our next class, in the next video, I'll be talking about types of variables like categorical variables, continuous variables, quantitative, qualitative, and all that. So thank you and see you in